In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the new Archangel, which is a secret race here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, before you even go ahead and get started on the quest line itself for this, you do have to have the Angel race equipped. If you do not have Angel yet, use race rerolls until you get it. And of course, you could just go ahead and use these in your inventory right here. As you can see, we got some race rerolls. Go ahead and use those. But after you go ahead and do that, you need to make your way over to the Archangel NPC to start the quest itself. This NPC is on the blue planet island here in C2. It's right over here. So from the portal, this is where you want to go ahead and make your way over to. Interact with this guy and you can go ahead and start this. And when you interact with it, you'll see you need the Angel race actually equipped to start it. But the first part requires you to collect 4 halos. One is near the Archangel area. One is in Punch Island on a rooftop. Another's in the nearby buildings. And the last one's in the C2 starter island. After collecting those, you need to get the 3 hidden halos as well. For the Diligence Halo, you need to farm the Spirit Warrior or the World Boss. For the Charity Halo, you need to farm the Cosmic Being or the Sun God Boss. And then for the Patience Halo, you need to go back to C1 and either farm Strongest Shinobi or Atomic. Go ahead and farm either of those, but once you have those, make your way back over to the Archangel NPC, interact with them, and they will give you the Archangel race, which is by far the best race right now in the entire game. But yeah, that's the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.